Now, Captain Sam, what in the world is wrong with this picture? Okay, you're a professional crew,
Yeah.
all right, on the Surehold vessel, and you're not using the traditional Surehold aluminum handle.
No.
What do you have?
I have our deluxe water sprite mop on a premium wooden handle.
Okay, now I'm very familiar with the aluminum handle and all
Yeah.
the attachments and everything, and I want to talk a little bit about dedicated captains assigned to a boat.
Sure.
Maybe a dedicated, full-time first mate. You guys are really meticulous when it comes
Absolutely.
to cleaning somebody's boat, cleaning somebody's yacht.
We're
Okay?
professionals. We're going to be really careful about how we do everything. We're going to make sure that none of the surfaces are going to be damaged while we're cleaning
Okay,
it.
however, if you hire on some crew, temps, something like that, they might not care as much as the professional crew that's dedicated to the boat.
It doesn't even have to be professionals. It could just be your friends and family coming on board.
Okay, so tell everybody the advantages of wood handle, especially around some all grip paint or,
Sure.
or possibly powder coating.
So the biggest reason is you're going to have no risk of scratching anything on the boat. Any kind of the powder coating, a nice all grip paint, Emeron, there's going to be no damage in case you accidentally bang up against the surface.
Okay, let's get into the actual, this is a synthetic chamois.
Yes.
How well does it absorb water and will it leave streaks behind?
So this is actually the same exact head that we use on our deluxe water sprite mop, which is the best in the world at what it does. It's hyper absorbent, it cannot mold, it cannot mildew, it won't leave any kind of streaking. This is the industry standard and what professionals use.
Okay, now wood has to be more cost effective than aluminum.
Sure.
Is there a big price difference?
Yeah, so if you purchase an item like this, it's going to be roughly half the cost of what it would take to purchase a Surehold Deluxe Water Sprite mop with the aluminum handle.
And it's a wood handle. If you bang into something accidentally, you're not going to hurt anything.
Correct, exactly.
Okay. Does it come in different lengths?
Yeah, so we have this shorter one here, which is good for around the deck, and then we actually have a longer one available in case someone needs to reach up to the fly bridge from the deck itself.
Okay, now I like having a dedicated handle to a mop at my disposal on the boat all the time. And I think a lot of people at home, now that it's so affordable,
Sure.
can get the best used on the finest mega yachts around
worldwide.
the
Yeah.
world. Okay, where can people at home, where can they get more information?
Easy, you just head to Surehold.com where we have all kinds of tips, tricks, helpful articles, and videos to help keep your boat clean and simple.
Really? Sam must be messing with me. There we go. Clean and simple.